Okay, back on the bench. This Elna Supermatic. This is the drive tire that was in there. It has a flat on it, and it's gotten hard, and then the plastic hub completely shattered out of the middle of it. When I went to take it out, or to look at it, it had a roll pin that you may need to save when you replace the tire on it. Various companies do sell replacement drive tires, but I found a place called Archaic Arcane in Canada, and they sell a 3D printed replacement that uses standard O-rings, and they ship it with a set of the 3 O-rings to replace if they wear out or get a flat, and then a replacement roll pin if yours is damaged. So this should slip right on there, and I did not line that pinhole up. Okay, we're gonna straighten the pin out, get our pinhole in the machine. Let's see, I've got a nail here that's roughly the size of our hole, and I'm really okay. Tough part is getting this all lined up, and there it goes. Okay. So that nail has this hole all lined up for the roll pin, and the roll pin sits in there. I'm going to rotate it like so, and we need to press that in place, so I'm just going to use this big I need to get a better pressing operation for this. I know what I'll do. I'm going to find a small C-clamp and put a C-clamp around that and press in. Alright, so that roll pin in place, centered, our new drive is in place, and with those replaceable O-rings it should be more reliable than the old cone tire. Hopefully the 3D print will hold up. It was roughly the same price as the other options, possibly a little cheaper. These cone rubber drive tires are not cheap, so hopefully that will make a good replacement for that. And then we need to put fresh wiring on this machine. Alright, now for the rewiring of the Elna. You see I have fresh wire in this panel, and I need to get all of this wiring back together, and I kept all of the plugs. Got these tiny screws, and then there was a gotta get where we were with... Okay. This is our... This needs to come up onto this terminal, and one of these has to come onto that terminal. So this is the... I need something roughly this size to curl my loops around and form them. I can pull this tail out and get more. Alright. Starting this over. Alright, be able to make that go, and then alright, 2 loops. And which of these is going to be easier to put in? I'll start with this one down below here. Alright, watching me fumble this won't be that exciting, so we'll get these 2 wires in and then we'll be back. Alright, this 3D printed drive tire, new plug, new cable, so let's plug this in. And I realize I did not bring my cord over to the table from the wall yet, so I guess, yeah. But, you know, I don't have to get in here to do anything with the wiring blocks, so we'll put the wheel in here. And this goes all right. Remember the drive tire, so we got to pop the hand wheel as far in as it goes, push it way in there, and then we can set the 2 washers on, the flat washer and that lock washer that's got the stop for this lock nut on it. Alright, and then okay, so that the stoppers were crossways and this tightened to be face down, so I'm going to move that lock nut here. I'm going to rotate it. Let's rotate it to there. And that way when it tightens to straight down, we'll have a lot of, actually, we will move it up to there. Lean down and find the nut that we dropped. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yep. And then we'll put our pin in here. Alright. There. Now we're in drive. Okay. Alright, plugged in. The light works. And alright. The drive is loosening up, so now I just need to pop the top and get a little more oil in here. It's got a zigzag cam in it, but it's not. Oh wait, there we go. Okay, had the wrong setting. So this upper control arm, there we go. Okay. Well, now that I know how to get it moving again, we'll get a little more oil and work this loose and then start testing it. Alright, so the Elna has a bucket-shaped free arm here, and these two screws, well, 4 screws, come out on either side of the needle plate, and this is sprung up, it looks like. I'm going to open this up to look inside and see if it needs any cleaning, because this is an odd machine, and I bet if it's a bit odd that without express instructions for how to clean it, oh, that's very cool. Alright. Although, look at this. Very clean in here. How does... Still don't know how that bobbin case pops out. So, looks clean under there though, so I guess I will take the final side of this off to look in there, but this is an amazingly clean machine. Although it definitely has wear around it from... Okay, well, those screws came out, but it did not loosen anything, so this cover is clearly attached to something. Maybe it's... Oh yeah, it holds the mechanism in the end of this pan, so that does not come out easily. I'll just get those screws back in place, and then okay, that's what that is. All right, let's... Okay, I do not know how to get that bobbin case to come out, but we'll lubricate this and put a dab of grease on this nylon gear. Okay, well, I guess we'll pop this cover back on and do some stitch testing then. It looks like the needle plate pops on and it gets lifted from the back when the bobbin case is open. So, all right. Now we'll set this up and do some stitch testing. Alright, got the Elna threaded, and I have it set for the widest zigzag and a short stitch it should be. Oh. Alright, set at a 4 tension, and it is really pulling the upper thread under. So need to look at our bobbin case and figure out what. Alright, well, let's try this on 5 and see what happens. Oh, it is really pulling that top thread down. Alright. Time to figure out what... I guess I have access to the manual. I should be reading that. Interesting. Okay, well. Okay, there is the bobbin tension. Alright. So there is a tiny screw right there, and I need to adjust that. That's supposed to be the lowest possible tension. So I'm gonna have to get this bobbin case out and clean it, it looks like. Alright, well. Let's test this stitch one more time, see if getting that set as low as it's possible to go. Still far too much tension on the lower side, so gonna have to figure out how to get that bobbin out, or bobbin case out.